At the highest level, we are all stakeholders. But what is our personal stake or interest in any one company, group, or issue? Since 2003, we have helped clients understand the stakeholder network's context, and we've calculated the relevance and relative value of each stakeholder impacting their specific performance outcomes. So we understand how the component parts of engines and machines work together to produce a result. We even understand how the component parts of the human body work together to enable healthy functioning in our daily lives. Each subsystem and cell plays a role in our health and viability. But how healthy is the corporate body from the inside out? The component parts of any company or network can be segmented into its various functional roles, stakeholders, and related budget performance expectations. We can study each individual stakeholder or node to reveal the inbound and outbound links from that node to all other nodes in the company's network. These links are then brought to life with interaction data that occurs between the linked nodes, such as sales orders, purchase orders, cash receipts and disbursements, emails, instant messages, or phone calls. The resulting model of the network can then be analyzed using key performance metrics at various levels. The models can be studied and viewed statistically, graphically, and geographically to provide analysts and management with additional insights and perspectives on the relative health of each company by their functional roles, individual locations, operating teams, and individuals. Our consultants have performed hundreds of stakeholder assessments for companies of all sizes across more than 50 industry sectors globally. These efforts have identified tens of billions of dollars in annual earnings improvement for public and private companies. The greatest challenge we've seen in client engagements is the lack of a single context model of the enterprise and its stakeholders. By context model, we mean the source of one truth about personal, professional, or organizational performance. A centralized, dynamic view of one's financial condition that includes details about how each underlying stakeholder influences, drives, or constrains current performance outcomes. Since all business is conducted locally between people in very diverse business and regulatory environments, the need to understand context at the local, regional, national, and global levels has never been greater. These highly customized and interactive stakeholder models are invaluable for performance assessments and benchmarking, strategic planning, due diligence, business valuation, mergers and acquisitions, post-acquisition integration, restructurings, forensic analysis, compliance audits, organizational transformation efforts, and for other educational, training, and team collaboration purposes. Data is everywhere. We harness the bits and bytes of data flowing throughout corporate intranets, extranets, and the Internet to build relevant stakeholder network models with key performance metrics. The models provide precision roadmaps of not just what is going on, but they also illuminate what should be and even what could be going on by benchmarking client data against reference models and other proprietary scoring measures. The result is to significantly improve understanding of performance dependencies, increase expectations for transparency and behavioral alignment, and ultimately achieve higher standards of performance accountability. The PVS solution goes far beyond social media, social web, or social graph analytics. When you need to know what is really going on in your professional or enterprise networks, please contact us through stakeholdernetworks.com.